Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hello and hi, my name is Arnaz. Welcome to my channel. Today I have created this super easy olive green kind of smoky eye look with the Pixi Tones and Texture palette. So without any delay, let's start the video. I am going to prime my eyelids for the eyeshadows to hold on to. I am using the NYX Eyeshadow Primer Base. Next, I'll start by taking this transition shade and placing it in my crease. I'll take the shade and lightly go around the brown shade. I'm going to blend it upwards towards the brow bone. Now I'll take the shade with my finger and pack it all over my eyelids. It is a black eyeshadow with beautiful golden shimmer reflexes to it that takes the look to a whole other level. Next, I'll take the olive green eyeshadow with a dense shader brush and pack it in my outer corner to add a little more green and deepen it up. I'll blend out the edges of the black shimmer eyeshadow to give a nice smoky effect. I'll go over the transition shade around the crease to blend all the shades together. Next, with a short shader brush, I'll take the green eyeshadow and apply it in my lower lash line. With a clean brush, I'll soften the edges. There's a little fallout from the eyeshadows. I'll clean it up with some concealer and set it with some loose powder. I already have a video on how to cover the under eye dark circles. I'll leave the link in the info cards above. And if you have made it this far into the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Next, I'll take my Inglot AMC 77 gel liner with an eyeliner brush and apply it in my waterline. I'll also draw my wing and my inner corner with the same brush. I'll smudge out the gel liner in my lower lash line for a smoky effect with the shader brush. I'll use this mint green shade to highlight my inner corner. Finally, I'll curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and finish the look with some false lashes. And here is the final look. This is one of the easiest and the quickest look I have done so far. Just a couple of eyeshadows for a simple yet elegant smoky eye look. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the products used are mentioned in the description box below. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and ring the notification bell. And I'll see you all next time.